The Bosch GOP250CE is an extremely versatile multi-cutter power tool that allows you to solve virtually any cutting, sanding or scraping problem. The motor unit can be fitted with a variety of different blades to work on hard and softwood, plastics, laminates, carpets, non-ferrous metals, nails, insulation, wall and floor tiles, and it will sand and scrape as well. The blades on this tool don't spin, they oscillate, so it's very safe to use and there's little chance of any kickback. The powerful 250 watt motor unit is housed in a very robust body shell with a small circumference and soft rubber grips, making it very comfortable to hold and use. It weighs just 1.3 kilograms, so is light enough to access otherwise awkward areas. Constant power electronics ensures that maximum revs are maintained even under load. For maintenance, the carbon brushes are easily accessible here should they ever need to be changed, and the tool is available in either 240 or 110 volt options. The switch is easily accessible and the variable speed control gives a range from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. This oscillation is only 1.4 degrees either side of the central position, but this is enough to provide fast and efficient cutting. The cable enters the body via a ball and socket joint, so you can orientate it in any direction, making it easier to work in confined areas. The accessory holder is very robust and allows easy change of the tool using the supplied hexagon key. The 12-point mounting system means that accessories can be positioned every 30 degrees within a 240 degree range, making it even easier to get into any work position. The depressed centre of the tooling allows you to work with it flush on the surface. An adapter is also provided that allows you to fit the accessories from other makes of multi-tool, so you can keep them all if you upgrade to a GOP250. The standard kit consists of the motor unit with an accessory box containing the hexagon key and adapter, along with a segment blade, the straight plunge blade, a soft sanding pad along with 5 sanding sheets. The whole lot is housed in a strong inlay tray that can be fitted into the optional L box for maximum protection. The straight blade allows you to make deep plunge cuts in wood, as for instance when making cutouts in decking or floorboards. You can cut non-ferrous metals such as pipes, and you can even cut non-hardened screws and nails. Plastics are no problem for this blade either. The segment blade is perfect for cutting door frames to length when fitting laminate flooring. Use it for cutting the laminate as well. The same blade will also cut plastics, such as conduit, and thin metal sections. The sanding pad allows for quick removal of stain or paint on wood, and the delta shape allows you to work in hard to access areas. Use it for cleaning off rust as well. There's a huge range of other optional accessories to offer cutting solutions for a range of applications. Here's just a few of them. So that's the GOP250CE, a truly universal cutting tool. Remember to register your purchase online and get a 3-year guarantee.